Hello and welcome. This is Ben at Helfand Farm Community Garden. And you're in luck today because today I'm going to give you a first peek at our new greenhouse. Now it's February today. This was just finished this past December. It was constructed entirely by volunteers here at the community garden. Materials were purchased with the help of a mini grant from the United Way of Greater New Bedford. So a big thanks to United Way and to all our great volunteers. The greenhouse is 48 feet long by 26 feet wide. The roof peaks at 25 feet. The roof is a soft, flexible plastic, which technically makes this a high tunnel greenhouse. Give you a closer look. The end wall is a hard polycarbonate material, which we expect to be very durable. But even the soft plastic roof we think will be durable enough to last 5 years or more. Show you what we have going on inside. Okay, so on the right we have soil that we're working right now. We're adding lime and other soil amendments. This is where we're going to be growing some vegetables directly in the ground, and that will be to supply some local soup kitchens. On the left here we have some seedlings that are already started under this protective cloth. This is for our annual plant sale fundraisers, which are in April and May. They're a big fundraiser for the year here at the community garden. Over here we have a workbench that we just completed out of some scrap wood from the shipping crate that the materials for the greenhouse came in. Now, one thing I want to point out about this greenhouse is the method of heating it. Now obviously we don't have any sort of electrical or gas powered heating system. The heating is entirely by the sun, and on a sunny day, even in the heart of winter, it'll get up to 70-75 degrees in here. It'll warm up quite nicely. But the thing you should be asking yourself is, how does it stay warm at night? The answer to that is right down here. So what happens is this space gets nice and warm during the day. That heat is transferred to the soil, and at night that heat is then radiated back out into the greenhouse. Now that may not seem like much, just heating up the soil, but by my calculation, the weight of the soil in this greenhouse, the top 6 inches, is approximately 30 tons. So that is a huge battery for capturing solar heat and using it to grow delicious organic veggies, even in the winter. It's really an underappreciated benefit of topsoil that it can be used as a sort of passive heating system in greenhouses like this. Although I should point out that in this part of New England, you'll see these sorts of greenhouses all over the place. So this is absolutely something that farmers know about and make use of, and I'm happy that we're going to be using it here at the community garden as well. So that's all I have for today. I hope to have some more videos as the season progresses. We'll be showing you what we have going on here at the community garden, and hopefully having some tips or tricks for your own garden as well. Hope everyone has a great day and a better tomorrow.